Hey guys, welcome back to my
channel.
Today we're going to be doing a
Coffee jelly.
Mama, what is coffee jelly?
Coffee jelly is a coffee flavored gelatin cubes served with thick sweetened cream.
Perfect! Additionally, coffee jelly actually has British origins dating back to the early 1800s, long before Starbucks or even Japan took out the recipe. Coffee jelly later found a home in America's New England region. Coffee jelly gained mainstream traction in Japan in 1963. When Tokyo's Mikado Coffee introduced coffee jelly in 1963, it quickly caught on with consumers thanks to Japan's food culture and an effective marketing strategy. So, Mama, what are the ingredients?
So, our ingredients are, of course, coffee, cream, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. And most of all, a jelly.
Gelatin powder. That's all.
That's
the
all.
ingredients. So, let's start. So, Mama, what are we going to do?
We are now putting the gelatin powder into the pot.
Mama, how will I know if the jelly is cooked?
If it is boiling,
The jelly is already solid. Now it needs to be cut into cubes. Okay, let's start. First, we pour the condensed milk. Put some more coffee. And I'm going to pour the evaporated milk. Now that our jelly is done, we now have to place it in the freezer. Now that our coffee jelly is cold, we must now do a taste test of our work of art. It's very good. It's good, Mama.
yes, I love it. It's good taste. Very sweet, very creamy.
Coffee jelly is very good. It could be enjoyed by all ages, young or old. And also, coffee jelly is perfect for all occasions, all weather. Whether it is in a birthday party, baptismal wedding, even if it's rainy or sunny, it will still be enjoyed by everyone.
And you can open it for business too.
Yes, perfect. It is perfect for a business. So now I have here my father. He will be trying our coffee jelly.
What can you say, Papa?
What can you say?
Delicious
Perfect.
and perfect.
That's all. Thank you guys for watching our video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
It's for fun.
For fun.